Minerals are the building blocks of rocks. There are 9 pictures of minerals on page 50 and 51 in the text. Granite is an example of a rock that is made up of different kinds of minerals, mostly quartz, mica, and feldspar. Most people have seen granite countertops made of very hard polished granite. You can see the different minerals in this granite. A few things geologists know about minerals in nature is that they are not man-made, and living organisms do not make them either. Minerals are also solid. They have a definite chemical composition, and they have a fixed crystalline structure. Have your students collect a few interesting loose rocks in their neighborhood and label information about them in small plastic bags. For now, have them just examine what they find with a magnifying glass. They should look for little pieces of shiny parts and look for pieces with flat sides or pieces that resemble broken glass. They should describe the shiny pieces and the rocks as much as they can. They should know that not all crystals are shiny. They should try to find one rock that is light colored and easily scratched. Students will probably have some trouble correctly identifying rocks and minerals at this point. Have them list several ways different kinds of minerals are alike and how they are different as they refer to the pictures in this chapter. They should also use the pictures to compare the rocks and minerals they found with pictures of rocks and minerals that have already been identified.